Infrastructure is the backbone of nation's progress and development. Without proper and sufficient infrastructure, it is impossible to achieve high growth and have a bright future. IIFCL has stepped in to promote infrastructure development in all sectors across the nation. In roads, important for establishing fast connectivity, transportation and movement of people, and good roads not only help in easy accessibility but also help in growth of the nation. For development of railway network, as it helps in establishing better connectivity and hence growth and prosperity. Good infrastructure for better connectivity by sea and air are necessary for movement of goods and services at a faster pace and across regions. Power empowers progress as power simulates all other factors that propel growth, right from the industries to agriculture. IIFCL is aggressive supporting power sector. Provision for urban transport is another major factor that gives boost to the economic growth with movement of people. Taking care of essential infrastructure for water supply as another basic necessity for the sustainable development and essential for good health. Provision for sewage and other solid waste management for healthy living and necessary supporting infrastructure helps in providing hygienic environment. IIFCL supports in this endeavor. Gas is important source of energy for various requirements, and gas pipelines have helped tremendously in their transportation with our support. We have given boost to development of special economic zones, which are giving impetus to economy and infrastructure for their sustainable development. Essential infrastructure projects for tourism and international convention centers, helping in transport of perishable items, frozen foods, medicines, vaccines, etc. by backing cold storage chains. With the rapid growth across sectors in the last decade, an urgent need of warehouses arose and IIFCL stepped in to plug the gap, supporting agriculture sector indirectly by directly promoting fertilizer industry. IIFCL has supported and helped in attaining all-round growth with necessary infrastructure for development in India.